$20,000 profit in dropshipping might seem hard, but is definitely not impossible if you do this perfectly as a beginner. But dropshipping can feel overwhelming at first. It might seem like there's a lot to figure out: how to design your store, pick the right products, and create content that grabs attention. But what if I told you there's a way to make it all easier while saving time, energy, and money? Imagine focusing on growing your business, hitting $20,000 a month in profits, and finally building the life you've dreamed of. Today, I'm going to show you how AI can help you simplify your dropshipping process so you can easily make $1,000 a day, even as a beginner. And don't forget to stick around until the end, because I have a free training where I'll show you exactly the skill on how I make $1,000 every day with simple steps you can learn. So hit that like button. The first thing we'll focus on is branding. A strong brand makes you stand out, and it's the key to scaling your business to $20,000 or more per month. Tools like Looka make branding super easy by allowing you to choose a variety of design styles and color themes that perfectly match your brand's vibe. Want to add a slogan that fits your vision? You can do that too. But here's the real game changer: customization. With Looka, you don't have to settle for the first design it creates. If you're not happy with the initial logo, you can explore unlimited options until you find one that is perfect for your store. And it doesn't stop there. One of Looka's standout features is its signature set, a complete branding kit that includes your logo, color palette, fonts, and more. Why is this important? Because consistency is key to building a recognizable brand that customers trust. If you want to hit those $10,000 to $30,000 months, everything from your website to your social media ads should look professional and cohesive. Having a pre-made brand kit makes it easier to create stunning content for every platform while maintaining that professional edge. Think about it. When your brand is organized and looks polished, it sends a clear message to your audience that you're serious about your business. This kind of consistency can make all the difference when it comes to marketing and attracting customers. And let's be honest, building a strong, trusted brand is a shortcut to long-term success. Now let's talk about content creation. One of the biggest challenges in dropshipping is writing compelling product descriptions. These are what help your product stand out and convert casual viewers into paying customers. But writing high-quality descriptions can be time-consuming unless you're using Copy AI. Copy AI is a tool designed to help you create attention-grabbing product descriptions that are proven to sell. It takes just a few clicks to generate content that speaks directly to your target audience. And the best part? It's perfect for beginners who might not have years of copywriting experience. Imagine having AI write descriptions for every product in your store while you focus on scaling your business. This tool doesn't just save you time, it makes your products more attractive to buyers, helping you hit that $20,000 monthly revenue goal faster than you ever thought possible. But wait, Copy AI does more than just write product descriptions. It can create blog post briefs, generate press releases, and even analyze your ad campaigns to give you valuable insights. Just drop in the URL of your ad, and Copy AI will help you improve it for better results. This is especially helpful when you're running ads that drive traffic to your store, because the better your ads, the higher your profits. If you've ever struggled to keep up with the demands of content creation or felt stuck trying to write the perfect ad copy, this tool is a lifesaver. By automating these tasks, you'll have more time to focus on scaling your store to $10,000 or even $20,000 a month. Before we wrap up, let me remind you, building a successful dropshipping business doesn't have to be complicated. With tools like Looka for branding and Copy AI for content creation, you can save time, work smarter, and make real money online. If you want to see how ordinary people like you and I are making $1,000 a day as a beginner, click the link below. I've put together a free training that walks you through every step of the process, including how to scale your business to $10,000 a month. Don't miss it. It's free, and it's packed with actionable tips to follow right away. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and explore our other videos for more insights on building a successful online business. Together, let's make 2025 the year you hit your financial goals. See you in my next video. Click the link below to start your free training.